by closing the needle driver handle. Advance the anchor exchange catheter until the anchor clicks onto the needle body and will not advance further. Press the blue button on the anchor exchange catheter and pull back approximately 1 centimeter to disengage the anchor from the anchor exchange catheter. Open the needle driver handle. Advance the tissue helix through the 2.8 millimeter device channel. Push down on the blue cross button to expose the helix. Using forward pressure, turn tissue helix knob in the clockwise direction to capture tissue. To ensure a full thickness bite, maneuver the scope such that the tissue will cross the needle guard. Pull tissue until it reaches the scope. Close the needle driver handle to pass the anchor and suture through tissue. Advance the anchor exchange catheter over the anchor until the locking mechanism engages. Without pressing the blue button, pull the anchor exchange catheter back to disengage the anchor from the needle body. Turn the tissue helix counterclockwise to release from the tissue, and pull the blue cross button to retract helix. Finally, open the needle driver handle. Repeat steps for additional full-thickness suture placement. To prepare for cinching, extend the anchor exchange catheter approximately 3 centimeters past the end cap. Press the blue button and pull back on the anchor exchange to release the anchor. Remove the anchor exchange catheter from the 3.3 millimeter device channel, leaving the suture in place. To load the cinch, thread approximately 3 centimeters of the distal end of the suture through the gold suture loading loop. Pull the gold tab in line with the catheter until the suture has passed through the peak collar. While holding slight suture tension, insert the cinch into the 3 millimeter channel of the device. Advance the cinch catheter until it extends approximately 3 centimeters past the OverStitch SX end cap, targeting the placement of the first bite. While holding the cinch